We're talking about doing some maintenance on our tomato plants today in the vegetable garden. We've got some raised beds here at the Hill Farm at LSU. And one of the things that you want to do throughout the summertime to make sure that you're getting great fruit production or great production of your tomatoes is to remove suckers. So what is a sucker? Suckers are anything that are growing low off of the main stalk. And what you want to do, if it's a new growth and it's tender, you can kind of just pinch that off. But this is an older plant, as you can see by the thickness of the stem. And so this one's pretty thick as well. So I'm going to use pruners in this situation to remove the suckers. Now what this does is it provides more energy to the plant for these upper fruits. So what you want to do and what a good maintenance technique is to remove all the suckers going up, leading up to where we produce fruit. So all of these things, we want to clear it up. Even if you see a few flowers here that may become fruit later, let's go ahead and get rid of those as well. Okay, so we just remove these. You want to go up to where the nearest fruit are. Make sure you're trained to a pretty large stalk. This one splits in vines and they have it trellised very nicely here. But go ahead and remove those so that we can get the best fruit production over the summer. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.